Do you need to replace the LCD back cover on your Latitude 5520? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe and/or your fingers to pry apart the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Next, unscrew the LCD bracket and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the remaining LCD cables. After that, you'll unscrew the LCD hinges, then open up the palm rest to separate it from the display. Insert a plastic scribe into the hinge cover openings to pry apart the bezel, then carefully work your way around using your fingers to unsnap it. Now unscrew and turn over the LCD screen. Then peel away the tape and unclip the locking tab to disconnect the LCD cable. Next, remove the LCD hinges. Now unsnap the locking clip and disconnect the camera connector. Then remove the web camera. And remove the cable. The reassembly. Now the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.